In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Docusign document after signing. Whether the reason is a mistake in the document or any other change, knowing how to void a Docusign agreement can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to the Docusign website. You can do this by opening a web browser and typing in Docusign's URL, or simply clicking on your bookmark if you've saved it for easy access. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. If you're not sure where the login page is, look for the Login button at the top right-hand corner of the home page. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to Agreements. You'll typically find this option in the main menu or dashboard. This section contains all documents you have interacted with, either sent, received, or are awaiting signatures. Now, you'll want to locate the Waiting for Others section. This area shows documents that have been partially signed or are still in process. It's usually quite easy to find. Just look under Current Active Processes or Tasks. After locating Waiting for Others, you'll see a list of documents that are pending further actions or signatures. Find the specific document you are interested in canceling. Look to the right side of the document listing for an icon or option. This usually looks like 3 dots in a vertical or horizontal line, also known as an action menu. Clicking on these dots will open a menu with further actions. Within this menu, you'll see the Void option. Click on Void to initiate the cancellation process for the document you selected. Next, you'll be prompted to provide a reason for voiding the document. This step is crucial, as it informs parties involved why the document is being canceled. Choose a reason that accurately reflects the nature of the cancellation. This could be anything from a mistake in the document to a decision to discontinue the agreement. Finally, after typing in your reason, confirm the cancellation by clicking on the Void button. This will officially remove the document from awaiting action and notify all parties involved that the document has been voided. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to cancel a Docusign agreement after signing. Remember, voiding a document in Docusign is permanent and cannot be undone, so make sure this is your intended action before proceeding. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful